Hi, my name is John. Welcome to a product review. Not a tool review this time, a product review. And the product is this stuff here, Anchorlube. You'll have seen me using this on most of my machining projects for the last 3 or 4 weeks. One of my viewers contacted me asking if I would do a review on Anchorlube. Well, I have already used this stuff. I brought some back from America about 5 years ago, and then I just sort of couldn't get any more. This lad's starting to import it, and he wants me to do a review, basically to see if it's any good. So without further ado, I'm going to get some drills, get some taps, some hard metal, some soft metal. We'll have a play with it and see exactly what it does. These are the 3 sizes he supplied me. That's 8 ounce, that's the one I've been using. It's a 4 ounce and an 8 ounce tub. That comes with a brush. You might wonder what it is. It's basically a water-based cutting lubricant. It's got no nasty chemicals in, nothing horrible, no solvents. It doesn't smell. It's really nice and clean to use. Being water-based, you can dilute it, depending on the application you're going to use it for. I found the best way for me to use it, I filled a syringe like that. I've got a little nozzle in the end, and I can really accurately place a little bit where I need it. You don't need much of this stuff. You could put it in a tub and just use a brush to spread it. And if it dries out, all you do is put a little bit of water in, because it is water-based. Right, so basically that's what it is. We'll give it a try. Like I say, I have been using it and I am already impressed with it. I've got a set of high-speed steel drills here. They're nothing special. They're the drills I use in my giveaways. I'm not going to use cobalt. I'm just going to use these. The first thing in there is a piece of 316 stainless. We'll try drilling a hole in there without putting a pilot hole in. We'll go for something sensible. We'll go for 4mm. I've used this bit of steel for quite a few tests on different drills and different cutters from different manufacturers. It's a 4mm drill with no pilot hole. Not a great lot wrong with that really. We'll go to a 10mm, slow things down a little bit. Right, that's pretty impressive. So this stuff here is really hard. It's stainless. I'm not quite sure what grade of stainless it is, but it's not very pleasant. Right, I've gone back to the 4mm drill. Once again, there's no pilot hole. I'm going to try it without any cutting paste on, see what happens. I've got a lot more pressure on there. I'm really pushing it, doesn't like it, it's got a blunted drill. It's not making swarf like the other one did, it just doesn't want to play at all. It drilled it, but it wasn't happy. Right, and that has knocked the edge of that drill off, unfortunately. This is a 5mm drill. 5mm is a tapping drill size for 6x1. So we'll try a little bit of tapping. Once again, I've no pilot, going straight in. Once it becomes hot, it melts and you can actually push it around and use it again and again. This is a 6mm tap. It's not a new tap, it's a decent tap. We'll try power tapping. Right, there's not much the matter with that. Stainless steel is not nice stuff to tap at the best of times. That's very impressive. This is a block of bronze, bearing grade bronze. It's absolutely horrible stuff to drill. It always has been. And it's even worse to put a tap into. It's hard to file. The file slips over the top of it. Once again, 5mm high-speed steel drill. Very impressed. Nice, clean, sharp threads. Square key steel. Same 5mm drill. Right, we'll try it with no cutting additives at all on there. Right, so let's clean it off. Right, straight away I'm definitely having to put more pressure on, a lot more pressure. It's drilling it, but it's not as smooth, not as easy. It definitely lowers the pressure, definitely. Little container there with some water in. I'm going to put some Anchorlube in, mix it up, a nice thinnish paste so it mixes up quite nicely. And if you left that, it would just dry out and go back to its original thick paste. We'll move on to the lathe now. This is a piece of EN24. It's a pin that was wrongly machined. It can't have a skip, but I know it is definitely EN24. We'll try drilling it first. We'll use a centre drill, obviously. This is the Anchorlube that was thin down earlier. I might have a little bit too thin, but I want to part this material off. That's why I made the batch of thin stuff up. Slowed things down quite a bit. It's nice that the stuff stays where you put it. Quite happy with that. Might need to slow this down a little bit. Yeah. So you don't use much because it spreads around, it goes nice and thin. It's definitely doing the job. Putting it back to the neat stuff now. This is the cutting paste I used to use. The black smelly stuff. We'll give that a try. Exactly the same drill, same material, same speed. Right, we're starting to get the dreaded smoke. Is a lot more messy. Yeah, you're starting to smoke, it doesn't like it very much. Try it with some Anchorlube straight in. It's definitely cutting better. There's no two ways about it. It definitely gets a thumbs up from me. As my friend Bob would say, it does exactly what it says on the tin. In this case, it's a plastic bottle. I've put a link in the description box. The eBay number's there and the lads' email address is there if you want to get in touch. Don't forget, I'm not getting paid for doing this. I've got a little bit of free Anchorlube and he's going to give me one of them each month for my giveaway. I wish the lad the best of luck with it. It really is an excellent product. Anyway, thanks for watching.